Okay, class, we are still looking at how we measure and record atmospheric pressure. And in lesson 1, we explained how a simple mercury barometer works. So let us briefly explain how an alloyed barometer works. It is not commonly used, but in case you are asked how does an alloyed barometer work, you need to say this. An alloyed barometer, first of all, is made up of a small box which contains very little amount of air. And what is the science behind this box? When atmospheric pressure is high, the box contracts. And when atmospheric pressure is low, the box expands. I know this brings confusion to many of you because you want to hear that when atmospheric pressure is high, the box expands. And when it is low, the box contracts. No, this is not the science. Instead, it is opposite. It means that when there is much atmospheric pressure still in atmosphere, there is nothing in the box. That's why the box contracts. And when there is low atmospheric pressure in air, it means most of it has entered the box. That's why the box expands. This is an illustration of an alloyed barometer. This is the box we were talking about. This box contains air. Inside the box there is air. And when atmospheric pressure is high, definitely outside the box will contract. And when atmospheric pressure outside the box is low, the box will expand. And this pointer here will help us to tell the amount of atmospheric pressure measured, because it will point on the scale and the scale will tell us the amount of atmospheric pressure we have measured in millibars. Pressure types. We have two major types of air pressure. Number 1 is high pressure. Number 2 is low pressure. Simple like that. High pressure is always above 1013.25 millibars. Low pressure is always below 1013.25 millibars. As you can see, high pressure systems are also called highs or anticyclones. High pressure systems are characterized by highest air pressure in the center. In the center, there is high pressure. As you move outside the center, there is low pressure. The center, we mean the lines, the circles made by different millibars or isobars. Then low pressure systems are also called low or cyclones or depressions. This is an illustration of high pressure zones and low pressure zones. It's an illustration of the other two types of air pressure. Here in the first diagram, high pressure is at the center. This means anticyclone. Then where we have low pressure at the center, it's an indicator of cyclone or depression. Thank you.